Karibuni sana for these press statements, where I'm joined by Azimio, majority Azimio County Assembly members of Kakamega County, and we want to address a letter that was issued by the Secretary General of ODM, Senator Edwin Sifuna, purporting to make changes to the majority party as per coalition leadership in Kakamega County. We have taken exceptions with that letter because, number one, the letter is purporting to suggest that there was a meeting of Azimio County Assembly members, and one of the things which has come out very clearly is there is no evidence of a meeting of Azimio County Assembly members to deliberate on the subject matter of making changes in the office of the majority leader. Number two, I've written a letter as the head of government and the chair of ODM to Bwana Senator Edwin Sifuna for him to clarify to us before even the speaker takes any action. Number one, to provide evidence on who notified the Azimio members of the alleged meeting, because as per the standing orders, that meeting is supposed to be convened and notification to be done by the majority whip. The majority whip was not in the picture of the alleged meeting. That's number one. Number two, we want the Secretary General to provide the resolutions of that meeting and the attendance list of the fellows who purportedly voted to remove MCA of Marama Central, who is the majority leader of the House, CPA Philip Maina. We have also asked the Secretary General to provide evidence of the resolution, and more importantly, what is even more annoying, the grounds of removing the majority leader have not been cited anywhere. As the head of government, I was not consulted, and this is pure witch hunt, political witch hunt, if I can put it that way. And I want to request the party leadership of Azimio to take charge, so that we don't want any interference in the running of the affairs of Kakamega County. Kakamega County has been very peaceful. We have been working very well, and this is a scheme by some people to destabilize the leadership of Kakamega County. Na hiyo sisi tumesema hatutakubali kamwe watu ambao wanakuja kutumia wengine vibaya for the selfish interest of ascending to the leadership of majority in the county assembly. As Azimio, we have our partners. Today I've talked to all the leaders in Azimio. I've talked to our party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga, is not aware of that letter. I've talked to the Secretary General of Azimio Coalition, who is Junet Mohammed, is not aware of that letter. I've talked to the chair of ODM, who is Honorable John Badi, is not aware. So what you want to tell Bwana Sifuna, toka kwa siasa ya Kakamega County. This is pure politics of Kakamega County, and unfortunately, some of our senior party leaders are involved. That is the most annoying thing. People have been in leadership in Kakamega. They have done their 10 years. They need to focus on the national politics. Sio mambo ya kuja ground hapa na kwanza kusumbua the running of the assembly of Kakamega. I've advised the speaker to ignore that letter, because without substantiation of the convener of the meeting, no resolution, no grounds of removal for the majority leader, no consultation with the head of government. There's a way we can make decisions in Azimio, but we should not be used by a few individuals, selfish individuals, who want to ascend to power using kangaroo methods. Hiyo sisi tumesema, tumekata, and we are calling upon the Azimio leadership to take action. That is my message, and I know I am having here the majority Azimio County Assembly members, 40 in number, and if there is any decision, these are the people who can make a resolution. But today, because this is a presser, I think it was important for the media to know that the head of government of this county, I'm very disappointed with Senator Sifuna kwa sababu anatumiwa vibaya na wanasiasa wa Kakamega County. I think I'll invite some of the MCAs who are here to put their voice on record, because this is a matter that we are very disappointed for people to come and interfere with the running of Kakamega County just because they are interested in supporting other candidates to become governors. That's the truth of the matter. Na hiyo sisi hatutakubali. Kama wewe unataka kiti ya gavana, ngoja 2027 ukuje wa kiwanja tumalizane na wewe. I think that is a message that I'm putting across. Na sisi tumekubaliana, we are going to work with MCS ambao wanataka maendeleo. The minority, Azimio, there are around 10 people who have been bought to cause chaos. I'm aware today some of them even came in the assembly with pangas to harass our people. This is a matter I want the Speaker of the County Assembly, Right Honorable James Namasi, to take action against the MCA ambaye alikuja assembly na panga. We cannot run the county through intimidation. Hiyo tumekataa. And I think my MCAs who are here, they can also add their voice on this subject matter. Karibu Bwana Chief Whip.
Thank you so much. My name is Bernard Mlama, MCA representing Lumakanda Ward. I'm the Chief Whip, Majority, Kakamega County Assembly. Us as MCAs, we are disappointed with what is going on. We cannot allow few people to sit in a hotel, do some funny minutes, take it to the Secretary General and say they want to remove the majority leader. We want them to come with facts, how they are going to do that. If there's any problem with the majority leader, there's so many ways we can sit, talk and discuss and make sure we come with proof or evidence that there's a problem. Us as the majority, we are here 14 number. It's only less than 18 who are doing such a things. So us as majority, we are saying we are going to work with the majority leader, Philip Maina, and we are not going to sit back and see other people coming to disturb the operation of the county assembly and the county government of Kakamega. We are peaceful na hatutaki kusumbuliwa. Then again, for any removal of majority leader, the communication should come from the Chief Whip or the secretary of the coalition. As it stands, Azimio, we don't have the secretary of our coalition as Azimio. So I don't know who took the letter to the county, to the Secretary General, or who took the letter to the Speaker. So we are just saying that whatever is happening is political and we will not stand watching such a thing happen. So we are in support and we are saying we are not going to remove the majority leader. Thank you.
Kwa majina naitwa Gildon Shioso, MCA Busoso South. Kwa hakika yale ambayo tunaona yakifanyika si mambo ambayo ni mazuri kwa serikali ambayo inafanya kazi. Wakati Sifuna mimi niliongea na yeye, nilimwambia hata ikiwa labda majority leader wetu amekosea pahali fulani, ni vizuri tu sheria inasema apatiwe fair hearing, watu wamsikize, tuambiwe ni makosa gani ambayo amefanya, ni makosa ya kutatuliwa ama ni ile ambayo ni ya kumuondoa. Lakini vile ambavyo mambo yanavyoenda ni kama kwa chama chetu cha ODM, zile enzi mbaya mbaya zimeanza kurudi, ambazo ni mtu mmoja ambaye anaweza kufanya uamuzi na ule uamuzi ufuatiliwe na uchukuliwe. Sio vizuri kabisa. Pili, serikali yetu saa hizi inafanya kazi. Our government is operating. Hii ni kama ule mpango wa kudestabilize a working government. It will be very much unfair for the people of Kakamega County to start experiencing such kind of things in a working government. Na hata yule ambaye anasema nataka kuwa majority leader, utafanyaje? Utaongoza vipi mipangilio ya serikali ikiwa sisi ndio serikali majority na hautakiwi? Utaongoza kivipi? Hapo ni kama kuleta shida kwa kaunti yetu ya Kakamega. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba leadership ya ODM iingilie kati, iite a proper meeting, tuelezee makosa ya Maina, tuangalie, ikiwa ni ya kutatua tutatue, ikiwa ni ya kumuondoa tufuate due process. Asanteni sana.
Yes.
Kwa majina naitwa Bernard Shitiebai. Mimi ni Deputy Speaker kwa County Assembly ya Kakamega. Kwanza kabisa tumestajabishwa na chama cha ODM ambacho mimi ni mwanachama, na mimi nikiwa Vice Chairman wa chama cha ODM Kakamega County. Nastajabishwa sana kwa sababu kulingana na sheria ya chama cha ODM, kufanya uamuzi wowote katika uongozi wa County Assembly inasema kwamba lazima uwahusishe na wale viongozi wa hilo eneo. Leo hii ningependa kumuuliza party secretary wetu Mheshimiwa Sifuna, Senator Sifuna. Nauliza, ulipokuja Kakamega siku hiyo, ulikuwa unakuja mazishi ama ulikuwa unakuja kuondoa mtu?
Yes.
Na kama ulikuja mazishi, hii ingine ilikuwa ya nini? Na wakati ulipokuwa unaendelea kwenda kufanya viti yako, ulimuhusisha chairman wa chama cha ODM Kakamega County? Na kama huku muhusisha, ni vitu gani unafanya? Hiyo ni kusema kwamba tunasimama imara sana na kusema kwamba sisi tunatambua uongozi ambao tumeelekezwa na kile chama chetu cha ODM hapa mashinani, kwa sababu uongozi ni wa hapa mashinani, na tunamtambua CPA Philippe Maina, Mheshimiwa Philippe Maina kama leader of majority katika County Assembly ya Kakamega. Na kama wewe ulikuwa umenunuliwa kutaka kupanga viti yako ya 2027 ama kutupanga huko, leo hii no.
Thank you.
An independent candidate, but now with the Azimio coalition. Members of the Fourth Estate, today we have woken up to a very outrageous move by the Secretary General ODM. What we are saying, and all of us have agreed, is that let the Secretary General ODM read from the law. The law provides that what he has done is communicated. Any meeting that is coordinated by the coalition should be coordinated by the Chief Whip in consultation with the chair of ODM, who is here with us. And that meeting should be with the presence of all of us. We want to call unto the leader of ODM, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, that he should now start putting his foot down, because there are people who want to capitalize on his engagement with the AU election to start messing up the party and the coalition. We all respect Baba. We are praying for him. And we are saying that as we pray for him, we want our coalition to remain stable. Here in Kakamega County, the leadership of His Excellency Barasa has attracted all of us. And we are moving on. In fact, what is disappointing all of us is that we cannot be led by a weak-kneed majority leader like the one our brother, the Secretary General, is purporting to be appointing for Kakamega. Kakamega today is a very serious place, Bwana Secretary General. If you want to get a leader of majority, you must also look at his substance. Exactly. You don't just wake up with a weak-kneed fellow and want to bring him to the floor of the House. The guy cannot express himself to the satisfaction of this serious coalition and the House.
My name is Honorable Bwaka Eddie, the MCF for Etenje on a Kanu ticket, and also the Secretary General for all smaller parties joining making Azimio. As a Secretary General of smaller parties making Azimio, we are in that house as a majority on the basis of uniting with ODM. When Sifuna came for a funeral in Lurambi, it doesn't mean that that one was a Azimio meeting to take Maina away from the majority position. That was malice, full of malice, and we were not consulted. I've spoken to my Secretary General of KANU, Mr. Wainaina. He is not aware. So when Sifuna was speaking, on whose behalf was he speaking? Was he speaking from the Secretary General of DAP, which forms part of majority coalition? No. Secretary General of KANU? No. MDP? No. UDP? No. Independents? No. We are 18, and our numbers matter a lot in the majority side. We were not consulted.
Thank you.
This issue of a Secretary General coming in a funeral, and when they are in a tent eating lunch, they start changing names here and there, bringing quacks to be majority leader. We cannot allow.
Thank you.
We must not allow, and we shall not allow.
Thank you.
As minor parties in the majority coalition, we are behind Italanyi, FCPA, our governor, and we are behind majority leader, Maina, FCPA, CPA, whom we are rallying support. Those others, side shows, full of propaganda and malice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Finally, I'm also disappointed because I've learned that some of our nominated MCAs who are supporting our majority leader are being intimidated by the party leadership. I think this is an embarrassment to the leadership of the party to take sides. We expect you to be a father figure and not to start intimidating nominated MCAs just because they are supporting our majority leader, CPA Philip Maina. I think for us, listening to the MCAs ambao wameongea, you can clearly see that Azimio coalition, which is the majority in the assembly, they are fully behind the majority leader, who is none other than CPA Philip Maina. Asanteni.